Welcome to my channel Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, guys. So means a lot, okay? So in the description box below I have my Instagram page link. If you want to give me a follow there, please go ahead and give it a follow or support me guys there, please. Okay, so the topic for today is what does spirit wants you to know. So what are the spiritual messages for you guys? That is going to be the reading for today, and we have three groups here. So the first group is this charm, this bullhead charm for group number 1. Okay, then for group number 2 I have this anchor. Okay, and group number 3 is the horse. Okay, so that is for group number 3. So close your mind, close your eyes, relax your mind. Okay, intuitively pick a card. Okay, so go with your intuition here, and I hope you get some inspiration, motivation from this reading. And remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. So in the description box below there will be timestamps. You can go ahead and just skip to the the pile you want. Okay, so I'll be going with group number 1. Okay, when whoever chose this bullhead, with this bullhead I feel the Taurus vibes. Okay, so the second house energy is all about your financial. So I feel assets, and also you'll be feeling good about your home life, your assets, your financial. Okay, I feel that kind of vibe is coming here. Okay, fearless. So the spirit wants you to know that whatever you're doing, be fearless. Okay, don't fear anything. So if it's about your finances or if it's about your home life, don't be fearful. Okay, I feel spirit wants you to know that it's important to maintain a positive vibe here, and don't self-doubt and don't be fearful. It's time to be fearless. It's time to move ahead with the things you want to do in your life. Okay, don't let this fear stop you from achieving the things you want to achieve in your life. Sometimes our fear, our own limitation, stops us. So don't let that happen. So move beyond your fear. Okay, so that is what your first message is. Look, Horus, cosmic gateway, your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. Okay, so remember that your thoughts are magnetic, so that's why you need to be more fearless. So if you're if you're thinking negative, so maybe it will not be a good thing to do. So this time, I feel like that it's important with this Horus coming here. It's important that you be positive about the things you want to achieve in your life. Okay, so be clear about your intentions, be clear about your wishes, what you actually want to manifest in your life, because this is a period where you will be easily manifesting the things you are desiring for. Okay, so that is what it's coming. And be fearless. Okay, everything will be okay. Okay, so that is also thing and coming here. Okay, and ground yourself. I feel like that you need to ground yourself. You're always on your head, so there is a need to connect with nature, connect with your friends, go out, have a if you are able to go out, just go out and have fun, little bit fun. Okay, set a date with your friends and have some chill time. Okay, talk about something or learn something that you are like interested in, or just watch some movies if you're feeling so, if you're feeling sometimes when we feel negative or something like that, just change your thinking or just watch something that makes you light, do something that makes you happy. That is what it is coming. Yeah, look, with this look in this celebration card, look, it's raining and the girls are so happy to dance. They are not thinking, oh my god, what will happen if, if I get a cold. No, they are not thinking, they're just enjoying their moment, right? So the angels want you to know, that spirit wants you to know, you need to enjoy with your friends, you need to take a break. You are so much in your on your head, with mentally you're thinking a lot, you're being fearful. So it's time to balance your energy right now. Maybe finances, you're thinking more about your finances, about your career, or maybe you need some materialistic things and you don't know how to do you know how to invest in whatever the case is, you know, about you're thinking too much right now. That is the thing, you're thinking too much, you're overthinking, and these thoughts are manifesting. So when you think about what you don't have, it will manifest more and more. So it's important you keep your intentions clear, okay? Celebrate, have fun with your friends, and go with the flow. Ace of Cups energy here, I feel like that, you know, it's time to go with the flow. It's time to flow like water. It's time to not go back, okay? So be in the present moment. That is what your message is spiritually. So whatever is stressing you out, whatever is making you fearful, it's right now you need to meditate. I feel meditation will help you here. I kind of feel meditation is the best way to relax. For me, it works wonders. So do meditation whenever you're feeling fearful. It's better you speak to your friend through phone, or just chat, relax with someone who gives you positive energy, okay? Or watch some movies. Sometimes movies help, you know, some comedy movies. Not watch, don't watch some disaster movies, you know, some violence. You know, nowadays there are so many shows that are so violent. I don't know why they're so violent. I don't watch that, okay? And just watch some light comedy, even though it's stupid, but maybe it will make you light. Just watch some romantic movies that make you feel good, okay? Just go with the flow, okay guys? That is your message. That's all I have for group number 1. If you like the reading, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. To whoever chose this anchor, so I'm feeling like you know, you need to stick to the plan, stick to your goals, don't give up, okay? So that is what spirit wants you to know, that, okay? Go ahead, go with the flow, don't stop. That is what I'm getting here. And the first card over here for you is vibrational, okay? So your vibration is shifting. So you're doing a good job right now. Your vibration is shifting. You are being very positive about things, okay? So just keep on doing the good work. So you are, so maybe sometimes you might you know, you might feel you maybe you're empath or something, so you might be feeling other people's energy also. So if there is negativity around you, you can sense it. I feel like that. So it's important to cleanse yourself, okay? Sometimes sage yourself or sage your home, protect yourself, okay? Because you're in a very high vibration, I feel like that. So so because of other people, it might affect you in some sort of way, because there are some kind of people who like take away our positive vibes, you know, because of their negativity, because of their problems, okay? So sometimes you need to understand that you need to take a step back when you're you know, when these kind of people are around you. So if you feel like that, maybe I feel you can sense the energies, so just take a step back, you know, just move away if you can, okay? Or maybe just cleanse your energy if you feel like that, because you're in a very high vibrational, and at this point I feel like that you're spiritually growing also, and the spirit wants you to know that you're doing a good job, okay? And that is what I'm getting for pile number 2. You're doing a good job. Keep on doing, keep on moving towards it, towards your goals. Don't stop, okay? And look, the divine director, intervention and purpose. Look at the color, purple color. Your crown chakra is activated. I feel like that you can connect to the divine, and divine intervention is occurring. Know that you are being guided. Happiness is your purpose, okay? So I feel like that. So whatever is happening is happening for a reason. So many of you are going towards your soul purpose or something like that. So trust your intuition here and go with it, and everything is happening at the correct time. You don't have to rush anything, okay? Stick to the plan. Just go with your plan. Don't stop. Keep on moving towards your plans. Keep on going. Whatever you feel is right, just keep on doing that, because it is right and divine is guiding you, okay? So you need to trust divine. You have to you just need to have utter faith that everything will be all right. Everything is happening at the correct time for you guys. Nothing is going, time is not going away, okay? So that is what I'm getting here, okay? Kuan Yin, care and compassion. Choose to be loved. Do what is right for everyone involved. Offer a helping hand, okay? So you need to be more compassionate, and with this I feel like you need to be more compassionate to yourself also. You need to, you need to nurture yourself also. Be gentle with yourself also. Don't rush things. Don't overwork yourself. I feel like that also here is coming. Maybe you're overworking, you're not taking a break. So sometimes it's important you take a break. You be careful about yourself, your health also. Sometimes we work, and then again we work. So just take a break. Maybe you're very perfectionism is something I feel you are very perfect people. You want to make everything perfect. So maybe when you're perfect, you tend to doubt yourself. You'll be very critical about your work. So don't do that, okay? Don't do that. So trust your intuition there also, I'll say. Okay, life is an adventure, guys. You are, with this divine director, you don't know where you're going right now. Okay, you don't know. Just keep on going. That is what your divine wants you to know, that you're at the correct time. Just explore like a child. Okay, keep on going, because you will know. You will get your answers. It's like an adventure. Okay, it's like you are again, you're starting a cycle again. You are like a new person again, and you're beginning your adventure. So don't rush things. Sometimes it's better to not know things before. Okay, so I think for you, you will understand. Okay, you will get the clarity. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. You're at the correct time, at the correct place right now in your life. Okay, and with this inner voice, just trust your inner voice. What is your inner voice telling you? Okay, so if your inner voice is telling, just keep on going, keep on moving forward, just keep on going forward. Okay, don't stop. Okay, go with the plan. Okay, stick to the plan. That is what I'm getting here completely here. Okay, for you guys. So don't trust other people's, trust your inner voice, guys. Maybe there are other people around you who doesn't believe in your dreams. Okay, just you have to believe in your dreams. You have to listen to your gut feeling. Okay, if your gut feeling is saying that yes, you can do this, even though you don't know what lies ahead, just go for it, because divine is guiding you. It's your soul purpose. So many people here are doing their soul purpose. It is not going to be a 9 to 5 job. I feel for many of you, you're not planning to do that. You're doing something spiritually based, or maybe something like something creative. I feel like this for Payal. Okay, so your ideas are also, you can, for the creative ideas also, you need to trust your intuition, guys. Okay, anyways, explore. Okay, you don't need to know everything. Then what is the fun if you know everything before? So that is what I'm getting for group number 2. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. For group number 3, whoever chose this horse, you're going to be like a horse. Horses are so free. They are like a free spirit. So you're also going to do what your heart desires. Okay, so don't stop. Okay, you're going to be free. You're going to be independent. You will have the power. You can move around freely. I feel like that. So that is what your message from this I'm getting. You're going to be very free spirit. You can do whatever you want to do. Very independent energy. So be confident, guys. So angels want you, spirit wants you to know that be confident. Don't lose your confidence. Confidence is the key to success. It's time to be confident in yourself. So whatever you're doing in your life, be confident about it. So if you want to achieve something, your goal, be confident about it. When you're confident, then no one can stop you, because you are a free spirit. You can achieve whatever you want to achieve. So remember, confidence is important here. Okay. Oh my God. Wow, Ganesh. Infinite abundance. Oh my God, Krishna, you got like oh God, wow. So you are devoted. You want something in your life. You are praying for it. Krishna Bhagwan tells you that, Lord Krishna is guiding you towards that. They are telling you that your prayers have been recognized. Just keep on moving forward, because you've been loved unconditionally, and whatever blogs will be coming in your life, that will be removed. So you can, maybe you believe in both of these deities, or you pray to them. Okay, so anyways, I feel you're blessed. You guys are blessed, guys. Okay, with these two energies coming here, Krishna and Lord Ganesh. So yes, nothing, no one can stop you from achieving the dreams. Only the person who will stop you from achieving your dreams is yourself, your own beliefs about yourself. So that is why they are saying to be confident here. Okay, so that is what I'm getting for you guys. Okay, So yes, you need to be more confident. Okay, you got two powerful energies over here, Krishna and Lord Ganesh. So they are helping you. Okay, they are helping you in this. You are doing your best, and keep on doing your best. Be confident even if you have setbacks. Remember, Ganesh Bhagwan is helping you. Lord Ganesh is helping you. uh, He's removing all the obstacles that is coming, and spiritually you're supported. Okay, and you're growing spiritually also. You're growing, I feel like, for this pile. You're growing spiritually, your wisdom is growing, you're nurturing yourself, you're understanding the dots, you're understanding why all it happened in the first place, right? So that is what I'm feeling for this pile. Okay, and it's like, both these energies came out. It's like, wow, it's so great. I don't know why, but it's like, it's great. That's it. Look, 10, rebirth, completely different person. And again, we have this Ace of Wands energy, that is the source. So I kind of feel like that you are growing spiritually. New opportunities are coming your way. So the past is gonna go. The things that were, the failures, the setbacks you had in your life, it's gonna go away from your life. You're gonna grow as a new person. So only remember that you are the only one that will be standing in your way. Your own beliefs about yourself, no one else will be. Okay, because you are so protected here, you are guided here. Your obstacles will be removed. You will get all the abundance and prosperity in your life. Okay, right? And this is the first time I'm getting these two cards. I've never gotten this. Really, this is the first time I'm getting these two cards together. Wow, that is like amazing. So yeah, okay, so you are growing. So with this 10 of Swords energy, where there were failures, there were setbacks, people were not trustworthy, everything happened in your life. I feel like that you're getting away from that. You're growing spiritually, you're becoming a complete new person, and you're connecting to the divine. You have that spiritual connection here. Spiritually you're growing, and with this growth you will be manifesting your dreams, your desires. Okay, and that is what I'm getting for this pile. Just you need to believe in yourself, be confident. Okay, so that is, you are meant to be independent. If you don't feel that you're not financially independent, or you're not emotionally independent, in the future you will be. I'm feeling like that. Okay, I feel you will be traveling. Okay, you will be traveling, you will be doing the things you actually want to do in your life. You're not gonna stop yourself from, no one can stop you. I feel like that. No one can stop you. The only one is you. I told that early. Okay, so that is all for group number 3. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care.